Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever day you're looking at this, Monday or Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. So what we are doing is we're going to go over how to do test corrections. Now, I have about half of y'all have done the test. I've got about 93 responses. I did go ahead and do like a BS version of mine so that I could show you the steps on it. So if you watch this video and you still have questions, please reach out to me and let me know. Otherwise, I do want us to be, trying to do this on our own. But what happened is you should have received in your inbox a email that says score released unit 2. So when you click on this, it's going to open up. So I got a 30 on the test. Okay, so maybe you didn't do too good. Maybe you did perfect. Maybe you were somebody who got a 100. Maybe you were like me and you didn't do very good. Okay, so what you're going to do, no matter what you got, you're going to look, you're going to see what your score is, and then you're going to hit view. Okay, now, when you hit view, it is going to tell you exactly what you got right and wrong again. But remember, you either received full credit or no credit because it's multiple choice. So if you notice in your classes, we do have the assignments posted already, and I'm going to post some more in a little bit for the entire week. So if you're like, I have a whole bunch of time today and I'm going to get it ready, because like I know, for example, you're doing like makeup work in your college and career prep class on Mondays. Maybe you have a whole bunch of time and you're like, I'm going to get it all knocked out today. So what you're going to do is if you hit test corrections optional. And again, this is only if you are unhappy with your score, okay? If you got a great score and you're like, I am happy with that, you don't have to turn this in. You don't have to do anything with it, okay? So again, if you need more than one slide, make a copy and paste the new slide into the form. You have to explain, you must explain why the correct answer is the right one. There is a sentence stem in the first example that I encourage you to use. Again, it's not required. It's only if you are unhappy with your score. And then again, this is just telling you what I just said is if you received a email that says score released unit 2, human geography, click on it, hit view, it'll take you to your test. Okay. So this is what the test corrections looks like. It looks exactly like last units. Okay. So for example, I got question, let me go ahead and split my screen. And if this is something y'all want to do, you want to learn how to split your screen, just let me know and I can help you with that. But so I got question 1 wrong, so I would type in 1 here. I would say I put the correct answer, I put my answer as A, but the correct answer was C, a traditional economy. So then I would write the correct answer is C, a traditional economy, because a traditional economy is based on customs, beliefs, and habits, okay? Or you could put the correct answer is C, because socialism, the one that I picked, is where the government owns some, but not all of the means of production, the goods and services, okay? So I need to know why that answer is correct or why that answer is wrong. You will earn back 3 points for every test correction that you do correctly, okay? Now, I didn't do this on mine because I did mine after I did all your guys' corrections, but I gave you all 15 points, okay? So, question 10 was one of them. We did not talk about this in class. So if you got it right, fantastic. If you got it wrong, don't worry about it, okay? The correct answer was D. And you guys don't have to do test corrections on these because, again, it's technically marked correct on your score. But for question 10, I gave y'all points. For question 15, I gave y'all some points. 16, I gave y'all some points. I think I gave you 20 points because I think I might have done question 20 as well, okay? These were just ones that we had a lot of difficulties with, so we're going to go over some of these. But again, do this for as little or as many questions as you like. If you got, like, say you got you got a 65 and you're like, well, I really wish I was passing. Do 2 questions and you'll be at a 71. Yeah, math is hard. You'll be at a 71, okay? And I'll put a 71 in as your score. Whatever works for y'all. I mean, I encourage you guys to do all the questions you got wrong, but that is up to y'all. And I do take note of if you're doing corrections or not. So if, you're failing and someone at home comes back and is like, hey, Miss Larson, why is so-and-so failing? Well, I gave them a chance to do test corrections and they didn't do it, okay? This video will always be here to help you. I'll post it with every test correction, but please make sure you are doing them. Please make sure that you are not waiting until the last moment, okay? If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you all in class. Have a good one, y'all.